Namaskaram girls. So I am Meena Priyasamy. I am going to take social for you. So social is a subject very easy when you learn it in interest manner. Then only it will be very easy. So a very struggle to keep the mind in all the years. So years you write in a paper and note it down. Okay, that is a very important for you to remember how to remember the years. So history, geography, economics, civics, all these together social. And first we are going to enter into the history. So outbreak of World War I and aftermath. So this aftermath, so when the World War happens, how it has happened. After that, what was the result of the World War I? So after, what is the situation in the world? That only we are going to see. So 1914 is a turning point. So why it is called as a turning point? It is a starting of the First World War. The period for First World War is 1914 to 1918. So from this lesson you are going to learn that Japan becomes a powerful country in the Asian countries, and the colonies have occupied in the Asia, Africa, how they are entering. That one. Next we are going to learn causes and result of the World War I. So after the World War I, the treaty will be signed. What was the treaty they have signed? Between which countries they have signed? These are only you are going to see in this lesson. You are going to learn. So after the World War I, during the World War I, 1917, Russian Revolution has taken place in the Russia. So after finishing the war, League of Nations, it was formed in the year 1990-20 to maintain peace. So this is the introduction about the whole lesson. Now we are going deep in the lesson. So first introduction and all I have told. Next is scramble for colonies. Scramble means competition. So competition between the colonies. I showed in the map now girls, colonies. Who are the colonies girls? Portugal, Spain, France. So these are the colonies including the Britain. So they are having the competitions among to capture over the places. So in India, you have studied in the 8th standard about the Carnatic Wars. Yes, girls, between whom they have fought? Yes, girls, between Britain and France. That is French. So they have a competition to hold places in India. So that is a Carnatic Wars. You know that. So now we are going to see the scramble for colonies. In this scramble for colonies, they have want to set their markets. Why they want to set the markets, girls? So they have a surplus wealth. Surplus wealth means they have a more number of productions in them. Production. You might have studied the productions in the last year because of the Industrial Revolution. Yes, girls? Yes, because of the production of the cotton, they have invented the cotton gin. Yes. So through that, they are having the more productions. So more productions. So surplus wealth was there. So they want to need a market. So this is the one. And because of the revolution, communication, transport was developed in the later half of the 18th century, 18th, 19th century. So they want to expansion in Asia and other places. So these are the scramble for colonies, particularly capitalists. They main aim want to set a market. Okay, girls. So because of the capitalism, this was produce extreme poverty or extreme wealth. So they started to exploit. Exploit means capturing, ordering, that is they are dominating. They started to dominate the other places. So now European becomes a dominating power when you compare for the Asia and Africa. And they started to colonize also. So within the Europe, England becomes a prominent positions as a capitalist. So they demand for markets and they started to have a power around the world and they started to exploit. This is a scramble for colonies. Next, rise of monopoly trade. Monopoly trade, they have an alliance between the industry and finance, so to get the profit for the goods and the capitals. This capitalism lead to the imperialism. So imperialism happened in the 19th century. So the old system of trade was collapsed and they formed cartels particularly in USA, cartels particularly in Germany. So they started to dominate the government. So onto productions, distribution of any commodity, they formed the trust. So whatever they need, they have to give over the other countries. So they have started to control over the price and the supply. So these are the rise of monopoly capitalism. Only one country have to dominate the other country. Okay, girls. So next class we will see the imperialism and its characteristic. Okay, girls. Thank you, girls.